Okay, so this video is really quick update. I have decided to relocate the safety switch over here on the other side of the garage. And I even moved the post locations, as you can see, about 6 inches out from the wall, because I just feel safer with it over there by the door as opposed to over here between the lift and the wall. For me, that's a pinch point. I don't like it. So thanks to a good buddy of mine in the Porsche forum on Facebook, Lynn Wood Moosley, he suggested I move the posts out, and then in looking at that, I decided to move the power unit from over here to all the way over here. And when I'm getting ready to do that right now, and once it's done, I will show you the rerouting of the wire and the relocation of the safety switch. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'll let you guys see it when it's done. Okay, first things first, before I get a ladder in there, I gotta move this thing out of the way. Alright, update. Halfway done. Look at this. All I gotta do now, let the door down and run the wire across and then mount the switch. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, all of the old conduit is gone, and we have rerouted around the corner here, over across the door and down to the new switch location. I'm much happier with that. That is gonna make it a lot easier for me to access it, and it's gonna be safer in case there's a problem. I can run out the door as opposed to being in a pinch point up against this wall. So that's it for the little safety switch move. As you can see, I haven't cut it yet. Still leaving the option open for me to change my mind yet again. But for now, this is where it's going to be. We'll stay tuned. And thanks for watching.